In this video, I will show you how to create a wallet in Coinbase Wallet. So what you need to do is you need to go over to the portfolio tab all the way at the bottom right. And from here, you just need to click on manage all wallets in here. And once you do that, you will see your current wallet that you are on right now. And then you can click on create new wallet in here. So let's go ahead and click on create new wallet. And now you can select to either have a recovery phrase or a pass key. And I'm just going with a recovery phrase. So I'm going to click on this option. And now you need to continue to create this wallet. So click on continue all the way at the bottom. And in this section, you will see your 12-word recovery phrase. So it's really important to copy this to your clipboard and to save it somewhere safe. And if you have that done, then you just need to click on backup manually, or you can back it up on iCloud. I'm just going to do it manually, and then I'm going to come back and click on backup manually in here. So my wallet is being created, as you can see. And when I go to my portfolio tab at the bottom right now, click on the settings icon, then I can click on manage all wallets. And now I will see my wallet popping up in here. And this is basically how you do it. Now the wallet is created. And if you want to create a new wallet, you can just do this process again. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. Then I will see you in the next one.